Oh boy, we have got a mystery box, actually 2 mystery boxes. Now I already know that they're from Nintendo because this one said from Nintendo and this one's a big mystery question coin block. I don't know who else it could be from. Obviously, it's Nintendo. So thank you, Nintendo, for sending me whatever is in here. I can't wait to open it up. Should I start with small box or big box? Small, big, I think I'll start with small box. Been a while since I've done just sort of a mystery unboxing. So today is the day. Oh, a note from Isabel. It's an Animal Crossing Fall Activities November calendar. And a note to say that the product has been provided by Nintendo. So product has been provided by Nintendo. Look at this. These are all of the activities that I can do. Oh my gosh, the month is almost over and I have not enjoyed all of the activities. Turkey Day. This is gonna be awesome. The 26th. Okay, what's in here? Stickers? I love this game so much. Oh my gosh! Is this a Tom Nook hat? What? I think I'm gonna cry. This is something that I didn't know that I needed. Jenna! No way! I'm a Tom Nook hat! No. I also got a little water bottle.
This is cute.
It's an insulated water. I can put my coffee in this. Look at, oh wow, look at this. What is that? Do I take that out? Oh. I'm good. What does this mean? All right, well, I just wanted to show you my hat.
This is a very nice hat.
I know. Wow. Catch me on the island. Animal Crossing socks. Like the socks that I'm wearing right now are also from Nintendo. I'm gonna have Tom Nook on my head and Tom Nook on my toes. Mabel, Isabel, and Tom. Or Timmy or Tommy, you can't really, I guess. Same difference. Look at this. A little bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love this game so much. It honestly, it saved my 2020. Nintendo Switch AC adapter. You can put your Switch right here. Switch in here. This is so nice. This is fashion. Oh, oops. Sorry. Wow, what is this? Happy fall. Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this up for my Thanksgiving celebration alone because I'm not gonna travel for the holidays because COVID. Happy fall. This is so nice. I'm gonna put it back here. Beautiful. Happy fall. And we've got some leaves. This is gonna be nice for Thanksgiving decoration and some little lights. This is a very, very nice little kit. Next up, we've got this big mystery coin box. What could it be? Oh my gosh. What the heck? There is so much stuff in here. Champion and Nintendo teamed up to launch a limited edition collection in honor of the Super Mario Bros. 35th anniversary. Look at these pins! These pins are perfect. We even have a Pez dispenser. Another thermos. I have a thermos with my coffee every morning. So now I'm gonna get to really switch it up. We've got Mario and Animal Crossing together. What a great day. Oh, a little coin box of, what is this? Is this something I can eat? Coin candies. Yes, it is. I'll have that. What an incredible box. Can you believe I have a Tom Nook hat on right now? Let's take a look at this. This is nice. This is like a very premium sweatshirt. Do you see what's on my head right now? Tom Nook. Do you see this sweatshirt? This is a very nice material. Oh my gosh. And sweatpants to boot! Flower power. This is so nice. I'm wearing this tonight. Do you see our decoration back here? Happy fall. Oh, these fit nice. They're gonna be real nice when I'm not wearing 2 pairs of pants. This is incredible. This is an amazing fit. I haven't had a piece of Champion gear since I was like in high school. Because Tyler's like a photographer. He could like take some cool like, I don't ever want to take it off. I don't have to. Whoa, look at my leg. Look at my leg. Hold on. Can you believe I'm already wearing Nintendo socks?
Those were in the box.
No, those were on my feet. Like, look at this bag. Now I'm playing show and tell. Just look at my Nintendo Switch in there. This was probably one of my most favorite mystery gift boxes. I just can't believe how nice this is. Like I think I'm in a champion. I didn't even know it. Well, I did too, and I didn't know that, like, I didn't know, now I know. Lego Mario's here. I don't even know what else to say. What do you guys think? Do you think this is awesome? Because even if you say no, I'm gonna call you a liar because this is incredible. Wow, wow. World 1-1 set? Does that mean there's more? Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go do a photo shoot now.